properly. You can perform miracles. You can preach properly. You can sing properly. But when it's going to be calm, you're going to remain here. Come on, my God. No. Amen. Amen. And we, being the people of God, speech. We have to find the difference the way you used to be before and the way you are.
Amen.
Sans quoi, all things sont traités en moté. If not, you don't deal with it. You don't deal with it.
Malgré voix na yo,
despite you,
malgré ma rêve zwaka, malgré ma prophétie, malgré la langue,
despite the
en
tongue,
surtout cas,
you will be
langue na yo dans le feu de l'enfer.
tongues is speaking in the hell. They will forbid you to go into
Parce que
Canaan
tu n'as pas su traiter
because you didn't
ton
know
problème naturel.
how to deal with the natural problem.
problem.
You cannot mingle with the things of God.
Amen.
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 Et nous là,
Now we as we are,
nous sommes des hommes naturels
we are natural people
ayant certaines capacités naturelles,
having a certain
certains
capacity,
péchés naturels.
certain
Mais quand on
natural things.
devient des hommes
And
spirituels,
when we become spiritual
il faut
people,
que les naturels puissent partir.
the natural things has to go.
Il faut que l'homme ancien puisse être débarrassé.
The old man had to be get
Pour
rid of.
que l'homme nouveau
So
est à
that
côté.
a new person has to
Parce
come
que
in.
l'homme nouveau n'a à côté dans l'eau là.
Because it's the new person that's going to go into heaven.
Amen.
Amen.
Alléluia.
Amen.
Alléluia.
Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Wow.
Nous sommes des gens.
We are people.
Oh, tu fais ça la quête.
You have to be careful.
Oh, nous sommes. On parle trop
We do talk a lot
de nos capacités spirituelles.
of our spiritual abilities,
Mais on parle moins
but we speak less
de nos caractères.
of our characters. Come on.
Amen.
Amen.
Le caractère là,
That character, that is gonna prevent you from going to heaven.
Amen.
Amen.
Les dons spirituels, oh, yo, exerce ça.
The spiritual gift that you do
Qui nous
use
côté devant la porte du ciel.
until you're gonna go through the heaven gate.
Jamais.
God is gonna say, I've never known you.
Ah mais non, mais on a la prophétisa.
You're gonna say, no, I prophesy.
On prophétise par l'esprit.
We do prophesy in the spirit.
Là, on parle.
I was talking in tongues,
Des
speaking in
miracles.
tongues. I will perform
Mais
miracles.
il répond, il te dit,
And he's gonna respond and say,
jamais.
I've never known you.
Amen.
Amen.
Donc Moïse, cet homme de Moïse,
Moses,
il a hérité la colère venant de ses pères.
he inherited hunger from his
Mais
forefathers.
il n'a pas su traiter ça.
But he didn't know how to deal with
Il
it.
est allé continuer à servir Dieu avec ce sentiment de colère.
He went to serve God with that feeling of
Il est
hunger.
allé continuer à servir le Seigneur avec tous ces sentiments de colère.
He went to serve God with these all
Et
feelings of
ça lui
wrath.
a coûté le canard.
That has cost him
Jusqu'au point
to the point that he started begging God,
Namonata.
please, I would like even to see.
Namonata
I
canard.
just want to see even God even said, no, you are making me angry. Never ever spoken to me about these things again.
Amen.
Amen.
Alléluia.
Amen.
Alléluia.
Amen.
Est-ce que, papa, vous allez me dire,
Kuzala mkongo is not my
Amen.
Lubas, who do they have? Is a problem. They are very proud.
Orgueilleux.
They are very, very proud, yeah. Conceited people.
Pouvoir.
They love power.
Imposer.
They would like to impose themselves.
That's
That's the way they were born naturally. And now when they become children of God, they brought their mulubadness into God.
Papa.
To be in Congo is Congo's people,
Hypocrite.
they are very hypocrite people, very stingy,
Égoïste.
they are very selfish.
Tribal.
They are they tribalist people. Witchcraft. Oh my God.
Alléluia.
Amen.
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 C'est quoi, un ancien Mukongo.
Oh, an old Congo man.
Ok. Azala mbongo ito comme ebe compte.
Now he has a lot of money in his
Mais
bank
ses
account.
enfants,
But his children are still eating. But he's got money in the bank account.
Amen.
Amen.
Donc moi, il uniforme et s'il makila, mais maman est là, mais s'il makila.
Even his child is wearing the shabby uniform.
Alléluia.
Amen.
Mais une telle personne,
But that such person comes into God.
il amène avec lui Kimukongo.
He brought with him a Congolese
Et
man.
quand tu parles de la prédication, il est content.
When you preach,
Mais quand tu parles de donner seulement 50 livres,
when you speak about giving 50 pounds, these things, no. This is not from God.
amène Kimukongo dans l'évangile.
Brought them Congolese
malgré la langue na yo.
Despite speaking in
Ma
tongues,
prophétie na yo.
despite your
Tu
prophecy,
n'entreras pas dans le Cana.
you will never go into Canaan.
Parce que tu as même ton naturel dans les
Because you brought your natural into your spirit.
Et ça,
They cannot get along. No. They cannot get along. Amen. Les Bangala. No secrets at all.
Papa.
They're violent.
Rwandese.
Poison. Genocide.
Papa. Batetele zakani. Polygamie. Grand escroc.
Very the crooks.
Toye kola.
We are learning. Batubandu.
Amen.
Bandundu.
Back no comment de la mort.
They are the same. Bandundu, Congo,
Donc donner c'est difficile.
Giving is not difficult.
Hypocrisie.
Hypocrisy. I'm with you.
But
But everything is okay.
mais la femme te
No, it's not there.
Voilà, vous Bangala.
That will face these people. The man is going to think, I don't like this. Yeah, that's true. So, yeah, Mukongo, they are like English people. They're going to betray you. They will betray you. They are like English people. The Bangala, they are like Dash.
Amen.
People from
Frères et
China.
sœurs dans le Seigneur.
Brothers and sisters in the
Frères et sœurs
Lord.
dans le Seigneur.
Brothers and sisters in the
Comment
Lord.
dans mon louba.
To give birth to a Muluba
Et ça m'a bêté.
is not
Mais
about
qui moulouba dans mon nzambe, ça m'a bêté.
Mulubaness in God's things is bad. Mulubaness.
Comment dans mon Congo.
To be born
Est-ce que ça m'a bêté?
to be born as a
Mais ça
Muslim
veut dire qui mou Congo dans l'évangile, les choses de Dieu.
if you bring your English character in the gospel is not good.
C'est comme ça mon gars là. Et elle m'a bêté. Mais ça veut dire qui mon gars là dans l'évangile.
If you are a French person and you bring your French character in gospel is not good.
Amen.
Amen.
Ça on a jamais. C'est pas grave.
If you are a Portuguese person, it's not bad. It's not bad. But don't bring your Rasta.
Amen. Donc, au moins, si on se mettait à citer tous les tribus,
If we start quoting all the tribes, what tribe is it good? Nothing. None.
donc, ce qu'on dit que Mokote,
Say none of it.
Ezali,
Which one?
il y a bien Ezali,
Is it a good one? Which one?
il y a des femmes,
And women
Balapa,
that they saw,
n'ont pas la sauté.
I will never get married again.
Pourquoi?
Why?
Même pas parents.
They went to the parent,
Un fiancé.
fiancé.
Maman,
Mom, this is the person who want to come and see you.
Okoli, c'est très bien.
No, you are grown up now.
Azam,
Is it from where?
Azam, Moluba.
No.
Bon, balakuna. Bon, souka wapi.
Start there and finish your business there.
Awa,
Never come with it here. No.
Moluba, awa.
No.
T'es maman, n'est-ce pas pour témoigner.
No, still no. No, he's a good person.
I
would like to get married to him.
Okay,
You're gonna get married to him?
We're
We're gonna support you.
Yeah, I thought
Is he from where? No, he's from Glasgow. No. Scottish. No.
All
All these people, you know, A Scottish man from here. No, it's not going to work.
Amen. Avant la tribu. On dit maintenant maman.
Are the tribes?
Nakuta ina mtu mmoja kuna.
I've met somebody. Would you like to marry me?
Oh, c'est très bien.
It's good. It's good.
Comment est nani?
What's his name?
Comment est? Roka Segebesi.
Donald Trump.
Papa, répétez pour moi.
Roka Segebesi.
Alabi, asa vous avez entendu?
Is it from where?
What est maman? Tout ça.
No, he's a Gypsy.
Tout Rwandais.
His name. Let's speak in tongues. You wanna bring him here? Here.
Jamais.
No.
Libada.
Out.
Amen. Donc, à Botani va tribu nyoso.
Now you call all the tribes. This one, no. This one, no.
Pas problème. Pas problème.
This one problem.
Where
are we gonna go? Where are we gonna end up?
Kabila, t'es Rwandais. Mbemba, t'es à la prison. Katoum, t'es à Zambie. T'es à la boy. Segedi, cette expérience.
Finally.
Amen. Alléluia.
Amen.
Donc, nous comprenons.
We understand.
Que le Congo Sibolobi.
Because we ever say there's no tribe that is good. None of it is. None of it. Why are you going to take those rituals
dans le Seigneur
and bring them into the Lord? It's not going to work.
Donc tu dois arriver
à te
dépouiller de l'homme ancien
to get rid of the
pour
old man,
revêtir l'homme nouveau.
to cover the new
Pour que
person.
you
That you can go
c'est-à-dire
to
qu'il faut te dépouiller.
That means you have to get rid of the Muluba.
Depuis toi, Naki Zambien.
Get rid of Zambia.
Depuis toi, Naki Jamaïcain. Depuis toi, Naki Mukongo. Depuis toi, depuis ces choses. Pour que tu entres au ciel. Mais si on ensemble,
But if you go, come with it. All these things, they hold you back. Despite your power in prayer, despite your power in everything, the heaven, Cana, is going to be forbidden because of these things.
Amen.
Amen.
Quelqu'un doit arriver.
Somebody has to come to the point.
Il faut pas comme un niveau autour de la
Just come to the level, they have to ask, where you come from? Is it from where?
So he said that Adam will come.
Say, is it from no. It doesn't look like.
Amen.
Amen.
C'est-à-dire, auquel en fait,
So you go to a party,
au Vanli,
you sit down,
au Vanli, na pas de la fête.
you sit down with people in the party.
Si les mots betting sont lingala,
When you say something about it,
you are Congolais.
are you Congolese?
Oh, mais là Congolais. Attends, mais plus le beau calme.
Are you astonished? We know how Congolese people are. No, we know how they behave.
Surtout la fête.
Moreover here in parties,
Surtout la fête.
moreover here in parties, we know the way they behave.
Amen.
Amen.
So when you musika, les deux personnes vont solo là.
You see people out there, two people talking. Like they're fighting. But they're talking nicely.
Amen. Baso bunda, baso sola, te baso sola, te baso solo. Donc, tu ne te vois pas que baso balani.
Directly, they say, no, these people from
they are Congolais.
They are Congolese.
Amen. Et quand tu viens dans le Seigneur,
When you come to the Lord,
qui Congolais, il faut le
this Congolese character has to
qui
leave.
Congolais, il faut et qui maillot.
That Congolese
Parce que
character.
celui qui Congolais dans l'église,
If you bring the Congolese character, you are not going to go into heaven.
qui m'a impudicité.
Even though you run away from fornication, even though you stop from drinking,
Otika malafuma papier.
even if you stop malafuma papier.
Vas semblant de m'inviter. Vas semblant de m'inviter.
Yes.
Amen.
Even if you stop that, even if you stop that,
mais tu Congolais vont comment la ciment.
Congolese things is gonna
Paix
hold you back.
qu'on t'appelle Lola.
It's gonna forbid you from.
Nous devons nous dépouiller des choses anciennes.
We have to get rid of the old.
Dépouiller de l'homme
We
ancien
have to get rid of the old man
pour revêtir l'homme nouveau.
cover the new person.
Pour revêtir l'homme nouveau.
Cover the new
Pour que
person.
tu côté na Lola.
So we can
Que
go
makambo oyo outra la famille.
the things that come from the
Makambo oyo
family,
outra la tribu.
the things that come from the
Makambo oyo
tribes,
outra na ki
the
Congolais.
things that come from
Oyo
the
outra na
country
pays.
or from the
C'est ça sont des choses que quand comme la bonne armée.
These are the things when you go
Que
into
tu
God,
dois arriver à Colombo
you have to come to the level of getting
pour revêtir l'homme nouveau.
cover the new person.
Alléluia.
Amen.
Le Congolais, qu'est-ce qu'il est?
Congolese
Congolais
person.
général.
Congolese in general. If you look from the top to the bottom, look at their shape.
T'as la couleur, t'as la nuance, t'as la combo, t'as la de ma commis,
Look at the way,
t'as la tout. Mon bimané boye,
everything.
la dernière normal.
In
Non,
normal.
on va 3000, 4000 pounds.
3,000.
Ok, si on monte à Bongo, ça va bien un peu de franc.
If you want to give
La
offering,
normal,
the normal way,
forme d'ailleurs. Il va
according
bien
to
combien?
his status,
Il va bien combien?
1,000. From 1,000 or 2,000.
Mais Congolais,
Congolais.
un petit Bongo.
Even if you
So
dress
you
up
open
loud,
some franc.
if you want to give an offering,
Papi, ça va combien?
I want you to give.
C'est ça, il belé 5 livres.
If it's a lot, it's 5 pounds.
C'est le one pound.
Like 1 pound.
Et tu es dans le Seigneur.
You are in the Lord.
Mais lui qui Congolais, ça,
You brought your Congolese
mais
character. These things gonna hold you. God's
ne me
not
parle plus jamais à
never
moi.
ever spoken to me
Oh,
about this
oh,
thing. You're
oh,
gonna remain here.
Ne me parle plus jamais.
Never ever spoken to me about this.
Alléluia.
Amen.
Nous,
We
encore,
have to grow.
soyons matures.
We have to be mature.
Comprenons les choses de Dieu.
We have to understand the
La
things of
marche
God.
avec le Seigneur.
The walk with the Lord. The things of
Ta
God.
vie demain, c'est le ciel.
Your future.
Le ciel.
The heaven
Le ciel.
is the heaven.
Oh, il faut ton quota.
We have to enter.
La terre, c'est ton money.
We have seen it.
Soyons curieux de voir le ciel.
We have to be curious to see the heaven.
Amen. Et pour cela,
And
il
for
y a
that,
des choses que nous devons nous découvrir.
there are the things that we have to get rid
Il y a
of.
des endroits qu'on ne peut même pas.
There are places that we cannot even
Il
go.
y a des choses qu'on ne peut même plus faire.
There are things that we cannot do
Parce que notre salut,
because our salvation,
notre entrée dans les canons,
our entrance into Canaan,
est là liée dans ma campagne.
is linked to all these
Ce
things.
qui est lié est catani.
If the bandage is not broken, if you get rid of all these things,
Et le ciel va nous embrasser.
we're gonna be free,
Le ciel
and
will welcome.
the heaven is gonna welcome us.
Nous allons entrer au ciel.
We're gonna go into heaven
Parce que c'est de là où nous sommes venus.
because that's
Et
where we
c'est
come from.
là-bas où nous irons.
Is that where we're
C'est
going
là
back?
où nous rentrons.
That's where we're going back.